When it comes to browser extensions, less is safer. Hello there. Today, let's talk about those handy little tools we add to our web browsers. We will look at how to keep our internet life healthy, private, and clutter-free. Extensions promise us a better internet experience. We all want our time online to be easier and more fun. Browser extensions are popular because they offer great shortcuts, automatic coupons for shopping, local weather updates, custom themes and colors, productivity tools. But remember, every extension is a guest in your browser. While some of these guests are helpful and polite, others are there to quietly watch everything you do online. When you install the wrong extension, it can do more than just check the weather. Some have the ability to read typing, track history, and monitor habits. Your private data shouldn't be public inventory. The ultimate goal for these snooping extensions is often to send your personal data to unknown companies. If you don't explicitly invite them to track you, they shouldn't be watching. Red flags to watch out for. Be cautious and investigate if an extension asks for access to all websites, was installed long ago and is now forgotten, is no longer used but still active, causes ads, pop-ups, or slowdowns. When in doubt, check the details. Here's my advice for a cleanup. It is time to audit your browser. Review. Check your list of extensions every few months. Remove. Delete anything you don't recognize immediately. Simplify. If you aren't using it daily, you probably don't need it installed. Smart habits for future installations. Keep your browser safe with these simple rules. Stick to the source. Use only official browser stores like Chrome Web Store or Edge add-ons. Don't collect tools just in case. Install only when absolutely needed. Keep it lean, keep it clean, stay safe. Remember the golden rule. Every extension is a guest. If you have too many guests, the chances are high that someone is snooping. Stay safe out there. I'm Bob the Cyber Guy.